Hello guys, I'm Chef Gnocchi and today I want to show you how to prepare a very nice and delicious homemade gnocchi with spinach. How to prepare? Okay, I'm gonna show you. So, I cook already my potato. You just try to put the same potato, the same size of potato when you cook. And when the water starts boiling, just waiting 30-40 minutes, check with the fork if they are cooked. And what we're gonna do now? I'm gonna put them in a small recipient like this. We're gonna put inside and we're gonna smash them with a smashed potato. After this, take the spinach. I cook already them. I just put in the water. When the water starts boiling, just put them inside. You cook for about 3-4 minutes. I take some fresh spinach. And I have to tell you something. I have 100 grams for this recipe, but about the spinach, you have to use double of the ingredients what I give it to you, because when you go to cook, they're gonna reduce their volume. So just try to put a bit more when you cook. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna cut the spinach with the knife. Just try to cut small, because when you go to put inside a potato, we're just ready to prepare and just to make sure it's cut properly. So, and another thing, when you finish to cook your spinach, just take out the water and with your hand just squeeze them to take out all the water which we don't need. You put the spinach inside the potato. Of course, clean always. Wash always your hand before you start touching food. And you start to mix together them. Try to take always from down and go up, down and up, down and up, like this. Okay, now we're gonna add a bit of salt, taste. Up to you. I'm gonna put as well a bit of Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna mix together. Now we're gonna add 100 grams of flour. And we're gonna mix them, all the ingredients together. You can put as well when you work in, if you don't do mess, you just use a container, a small container to put inside all the flour. And just try to incorporate all your ingredients. And after that, when it's this consistent, you just take a bit of flour and put just like this with your fingers. You take and you put. After that, you put and we start to mix again. Try to do this job fast, because like this, when you're gonna cook, they're not gonna get hard to cook. So that means if you do fast this job, you can have a soft and nice gnocchi. I teach you some tricks about this kind of recipes. When you use this kind of dough, you have to use your palm, both of them. So you're gonna do like this. You take from your finger, go, and you do like this. You take and you go. You can add flour. Just try to don't put too much. Flour is the secret here, because you're gonna understand when our dough is ready, when it's not sticky on our hands.
One eternity later.
Okay, this is the consistency of our dough. Now we're gonna prepare our gnocchi. Okay, there are two kinds of ways to make gnocchi. One way is with the food board, which I don't have, so that's why I'm gonna use the fork. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna have some fun as well. How we make a gnocchi. Cut in slice. Always help me with the flour. Don't get sticky, you know? And after that, we're gonna just press this slice just a bit. And we're gonna cut in sticks. I just cut and do like classic, like 2 centimeter wide gnocchi. Just remembering when I was at school, when I start to do and start to teach everything, when you start to use these all ingredients, use by your hand to make something homemade, to make something fresh, something different. When you cut your gnocchi, take one and do this job. Like this. Make a small ball. And with a fork, just press a bit and you turn. And like this, you make a classic gnocchi. See? Beautiful. And like this, we do all your gnocchi. Okay guys, our gnocchi are ready. Now I'm gonna prepare our cream salmon sauce. How I prepare? What we need? Some olive oil. Take 1 head of garlic. With a knife, mash. Inside, start to cook. Take the salmon and you cut just in big pieces because we're gonna mix with the mixer later. And put in the pan. See? Feel how it starts to cook. Put some fresh thyme. Gonna cook for about 2-3 minutes. Salmon is done. You're gonna take out the thyme and the garlic as well. We're gonna put our salmon in a small container, and then you put some salt, some pepper, all to taste, and double cream. And some pine nuts. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna make our cream. So take the mixer, be careful, and then start slowly to mix all together. Our cream is ready. This is the final result. I want to prepare a Parmesan wafer. I put for the Parmesan wafer, just make hot a bit your pan, put inside Parmesan cheese, and try to make just like this. To just melt a bit, and don't burn it. When the Parmesan is melt, just try to turn up and down and cook a bit more. After that, take a small container like this and turn. You put like this. You wait until it gets cold. After that, you can use like plate for rice, pasta. Okay guys, now we're gonna cook our gnocchi. So, we put our cream inside the pan. The secret for a good sauce, make sure you have this nice cream when you cook the pasta. Just a bit of water when you go to cook your gnocchi. How to cook gnocchi? Put salt. Here is every time taste. And just a bit of olive oil, because when you're gonna put inside, they're not gonna stick together, so it's more easy. How to understand the gnocchi are ready? We just come up after 2-3 minutes. We just come up and you just take out and put where is your sauce. Our gnocchi ready. And we're gonna put inside our pan. Our Parmesan wafer is ready. This is how it looks when it's getting cold. When you put your wafer, Parmesan wafer, just put on your plate just a bit of the sauce and press in center like this. Our Parmesan wafer is not gonna move. And I'm going to put some lemon zest, some Parmesan, because I like it. Okay guys, this is my dish for today. Some fresh and delicious. Thank you for watching me, and if you want to follow me for more recipes like this interesting, you can subscribe as well down on the left. And if you want to follow me on Instagram as well, you can do it. There you can find some picture. After that I want to put my videos in my channel. You can follow me, you can more and more